Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to withdraw money from Tonkeeper wallet. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So in order to do this, the first thing that you're gonna need to do is open up the Tonkeeper app on your mobile device. And once you do, you're gonna find yourself in the homepage right away. Now, there are actually two methods if you want to withdraw money from your Tonkeeper wallet. For the first method, you want to press onto the buy and sell option and it's going to take you to this page. And from here, if you take a look at the top of the screen, you're going to see a sell section. So you want to press on it, and here you want to press onto the show more button to see all of your options. So in my case, I have two options, which are Mercurial and Event Change. Both of these options are platforms that can help you convert your currencies into cash. So all you have to do is choose one of them and enter the amount of ton that you want to sell, and after that enter your bank account information so you can receive the money after the transaction is processed. Now for the second method, you're gonna have to use a third-party platform like Binance. To do that, you want to come back to the home screen of your Tonkeeper app, and then from here you can see a sell option and press on it. And here you want to enter your Ton wallet address from your Binance account and make sure that you don't make any mistakes while entering the wallet address so you don't risk losing your funds. After that, you can insert the amount of Ton that you want to send. And now, once you receive the Ton you sent in your Binance account, then all you have to do is go to the trading section, then the withdrawal section, and then all you have to do is enter your bank account information and the amount of money you want to withdraw, and finally confirm and wait for the funds to be sent into your bank account. And that should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.